Hello, my name is Vismita Matham. I am a BTech graduate student from Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology in Hyderabad. I have taken my Java full stack development course through ExcelR. So, talking about ExcelR, it is a really great platform to all the students out there, to the students who are trying to build their skills, to the students who are trying to build their career in software field. It is a really great option. Now, talking about my personal experience, I really enjoyed taking this course in XLR. Coming to the faculty members, they are really experienced and very well taught to all the students. And talking about my personal experience, as I said before, I am placed through XLR and I'm really happy that I have got a job through XLR. And getting a high package job was really a tough time right now because of the recession, but because of this platform I am really happy for myself. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. That was my personal experience. Thank you, XLR.